Most people get this wrong when checking their Walmart credit card balance. They only look at recent purchases and assume that's their available spending limit. Here's the truth no one tells you. Your current balance, available credit, pending transactions, and payment status can all be different numbers. In this video, you'll learn the fastest and easiest ways to check your Walmart credit card balance in 2026. I'll also show you a common mistake that can make your balance appear incorrect, so make sure you stay until the end. Let's get straight into it. The easiest way to check your Walmart credit card balance is through your online account. Simply sign in using your username and password. Once you're logged in, you'll usually see your current balance, available credit, recent transactions, and payment information right on the account dashboard. For example, if John recently spent $100 at Walmart, his dashboard may show the purchase, but it could still be processing. That's important because pending transactions don't always update immediately. But here's the problem. Many people only check the current balance and ignore the available credit section. Your available credit tells you how much you can still spend before reaching your credit limit. Another option is using the card issuer's mobile app. The app often provides real-time account information and lets you review purchases, payments, and account activity from your phone. This is especially useful if you're shopping and want to quickly confirm your available credit. Now here's where it gets interesting. If you recently made a payment, your balance may not update instantly. Depending on the payment method, processing can take some time before the change appears in your account. This is where most people fail. They make a payment and immediately expect their available credit to increase. In some cases, it may take a little longer for the system to reflect the updated information. In a minute, I'll show you another easy way to verify your balance. If you can't access your online account, you can also check your balance by calling the customer service number associated with your card. After verifying your identity, you'll typically be able to hear your balance information through the automated system or speak with a representative if needed. You should also regularly review your recent transactions. This helps you spot unexpected charges, monitor spending, and keep track of your available credit throughout the month. To recap, you can check your Walmart credit card balance through your online account, the mobile app, or the customer service phone system. Always review both your current balance and available credit to get the full picture of your account. Now you're ready to check your balance quickly and confidently in 2026. If you found this guide helpful, like the video, subscribe for more Walmart tips and financial guides, and leave a comment with any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.